Hey guys, what is up? My name is Shaun Roselt and welcome to my HTML5 and CSS3 video series. So, in the previous videos we learned how to have inline CSS and internal CSS. So, with inline CSS, we added the CSS within a style attribute inside of a tag like this. And inside of the style attribute, we can specify the CSS. So for instance, we can change the background color of the body to blue. Save it and it will work. And to do this, in internal CSS we had to make a style tag, and inside of the style tag we called the element or the tag, and then we wrote the CSS. Let's make it fuchsia. We call the CSS. We wrote the CSS inside of the curly brackets. Okay, so we save it, refresh, and boom. Okay, so with external CSS, the CSS isn't actually inside of the HTML file. It's actually in a separate file. So go to your folder where you have your HTML files or your HTML file. Create a new file inside of that same folder. Call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call mine 13, and then give it a file extension .css. Okay. Yes. So instead of calling it HTML, we're going to be giving it the CSS file extension. Okay. So now all of our CSS will be done inside of this CSS file. So let's change the body. Give it a background color of what color can we make it medium sea green. Okay, save, refresh. But it doesn't work yet. So why doesn't it work? Basically because this CSS file is in no way linked to the external CSS.html file yet. So how do we link the files? In the head we have a link tag, okay, and the link tag has two attributes. It has an href attribute, and it has a rel attribute. The rel stands for relationship. So what is the relationship between these two files? Well, the CSS file is a style sheet. Okay, so that is the relationship, and href is where the link comes. So we say 13.css. Okay, so we save now, we refresh, boom, it works. Okay, so now it's basically like the link is basically importing the CSS into the head here. So yes, so this is how you use this is how you use an external CSS file. You have to link it with the link tag. And in all of our future videos, we will be using external CSS files, and almost all of the next few videos will be about CSS. So let's learn how to create awesome websites, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.